Hey, I'm Brian Van, Sportbike, and today we're going to do a product review on the all-new Alpinestars Faster 3 Rideknit shoes. $179 is the retail for the Faster 3 Rideknit, and this is kind of a new package here. They've used this seamless knit fabric all throughout the shoe. We'll talk about that more in a second. This is a really cool shoe. Dig it. Please understand, we don't update videos if pricing changes, only if the product itself has been fully redesigned. So that is possible. The price does change. We won't update the video. Who is this shoe right for? This is clearly a street-based product. This is intended for a rider that wants a good-looking, lightweight riding shoe that comes up just over the ankle, offers a reasonable level of protection, and has a lot of breathability. This seamless knit material here is going to allow air to flow in and out freely, so a lot of breathability with this. They wear really light. Let's talk sizing. This shoe is available US sizes from 6 to 14, along with half sizes. I would say that they run true to size. I normally wear a 12 in most common shoes. My feet probably lean a little bit towards the wide side. We brought these in a 12. I tried them on, warm around here in the office quite a bit. Really comfortable. They felt great to walk in, lightweight, lots of comfort and padding inside, flexibility. This is the kind of shoe where you're going to enjoy it on the bike, a lot of feel, especially for the shifter and stuff. You're going to have a lot of feel here because you're going to interact right with that. You don't have some big plastic pad, right? This leather here is going to interact directly with the shifter. But when you get off the bike, you can walk around and have comfort so you can ride to a destination and enjoy the adventure. Full lace-up design. It's got like a faux toe slider here built in. It's probably more aesthetic than anything. Screen-printed A-Star logo. It has a heel cup to protect from impact and abrasion in this area. Reinforcement here in the toe box. Velcro strap here at the top to help dial in the fit of the boots, make sure they stay on. A little reflective here in the back. There are little armor plates that are stitched in to the internal part of the shoe for impact protection there on the side of the ankle. The liner that comes in it is designed to help keep your foot cool as well. You'll see that it's fully perforated. It has all these channels just beneath it. That is simply to promote airflow down in that area, right? It's going to work in conjunction with that knit fabric to keep your feet cool and dry during that warm weather, the riding that we all want to be doing. What do I think of this? I really dig it. Alpinestars, right? They started off as a boot company. And when you look at their footwear in the motorcycle industry, they still today offer some of the very best stuff you see. If you're looking for a short riding shoe that's breathable, this one should be on your short list. I really dig it. Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com.